Welcome to Success EduTech. I am Krishna Mohanja. Today we will going to discuss about the pandemic situation that has brought whole world to a standstill. That is coronavirus, as it is properly known as COVID-19. The name COVID-19 itself was given because the COVID stands for coronavirus disease, and the 19 stands for 2019. As this disease was first occurred in 2019, the country that has first seen the coronavirus is China, is said to be the originating country of the virus. There are various symptoms such as you can see here, I am just marking, such as fever, chest pain, chills, rapid heartbeat, breathing difficulty, pneumonia, kidney failure, etc. Okay. Now the question arises, how does coronavirus spreads? It can spreads through various medium such as when you cough, sneezes, or you touch any infected surface, etc. And here you can also see that headache, sore throat, cough, shortness of breath. These are also the symptoms. Okay. Now we shall go on the second slide. Okay. Some facts about the coronavirus. Okay, the virus is first set entered through the nose and mouth, and once it get entered through the mouth and nose, it then goes and find a host cell. Okay, जो host cell हमारे शरीर में पाए जाते हैं, find a host cell in our body in the respiratory system, which is lungs. Okay, now the host cell bursts in and multiplies. As we know that the virus tends to multiply at a proper, very faster rate, so it gets multiplied a severely faster rate and tends to block our lungs. Okay, so actually it blocks our lungs and arteries also, due to which we find a very difficulty in our breathing. सांस लेने में मुझे हमें बहुत तकलीफें होने लगती है. Okay. Okay, so these are the facts. um, Now the question is how it spreads. Okay, it was first initially thought that it has spreaded from a bat or a snake. You can say that when some person has bought fishes, uh, sex and snakes and the bats from the Chinese market, but later various studies has been done, and we are still to find the actual originator of the virus. Okay, the virus tends to spread between humans at a very faster rate. Why? Because due to the close accommodation between people. Okay, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत करीब करीब बैठते हैं, रहते हैं, क्लोजर रहते हैं एक दूसरे के. दैट्स वाई, मतलब ये कॉमन हो जाता है ह्यूमन में स्प्रेड आउट होने का. ओके, द वायरस कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू ड्रॉपलेट्स, coughing, sneezing, etc. Okay, these have already discussed. We have already discussed these things. Now, how it can kill. Okay, as we have already said that once this virus get uh, into our body, it multiplies into a very faster rate and tends to destroy our lungs, arteries, and due to which we find difficulties in breathing. Okay, we develop symptoms like pneumonia, which can be fatal and also costs our life. Okay, uh, so just I'm marking here something, how it's this point we have covered, how it can kill it also covered. Okay, so we have covered these slides. Okay, now we move forward and the term transmission come. Okay, uh, in case where it has spread between the people, those contact involved close contact. Okay, so actually जो close contact होते हैं ना हमारे, उसी के दौरान ये ट्रांसमिशन ज़्यादा होते हैं. Close contact in India, where the population is very high, so we live in a very congested area. Okay, so the chances of transmission in India is very high, and that's why India is now stands among top 2 in terms of transmission of coronavirus. Okay, so India भी second position पे है, as you know these things. Okay, so these slides are covered in the cases where it has appeared to have spread between people, in those cases involved close contact, I have told already. So we move forward, and now the comes, what are coronavirus? Okay, there are different strains of coronaviruses found, and scientists are yet discovering few more strains. Okay, so but the most publicized human coronavirus is SARS virus. Okay, so it is already discussed these things. Now the terms come, symptoms. Okay, when the virus get entered into our body, it generally takes 6 to 7 days for the onset of the symptoms, because this period is generally the incubation period. And generally we see the flu like symptoms like cough, sneezing, running nose, which is said to be mild symptoms, and some moderate symptoms will be slight difficulty in breathing like something, and the very high symptoms will be heart failure and kidney failure, etc. Okay, a very cough, flu like symptoms, these terms have already discussed. Okay, now the how coronavirus can kill, it has already uh, discussed. So we shall discuss now the about something vaccine like these things. Okay, there are still the vaccines of the virus is yet to be found, although many countries are trying hard to find the vaccine. Recently we have come to know that Russia has developed a vaccine, which is vaccine, that is recent advancement in terms of vaccine. India is also trying few vaccines. Hopefully we will get the vaccine by the end of this year and earlier of the next year, और earlier of the मतलब यदि इस साल के लास्ट तक नहीं आया तो वो नेक्स्ट ईयर के स्टार्टिंग जोन में आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी है, मोस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, सो अंटिल दैट हाउ कैन वी स्टॉप द spreading of coronavirus is by self isolating ourselves when where we get any symptoms, and we have to wear mask wherever we go outside. Okay, and the and we should also maintain social distancing, which is need of ours. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe of this subscribe the channel, so that you have to know about the informative knowledge and like these things. Okay, thank you.